So what is it really like to remodel an RV? Today we're gonna give you guys an inside look. The good, this doesn't even look like our RV. The bad, it's supposed to be that. Pros, the cons.
But our biggest fear is, can we get it in the RV door?
What is this couch fiasco?
And some of the real stress that goes on when it comes to remodeling your RV.
We're Marissa, Nathan, Hensley, and JJ. We sold our house in 2015 and moved into an RV full-time to live a life of less junk, more journey. Life is a journey. Let go and get going.
What's up, fellow journeyers? So today, pretty good chance you're going to see this girl stressed. There's going to be a crying meltdown at some point.
I know, I'm excited, but at the same time, I am extremely stressed and overwhelmed right now.
So we have already taken out our perfectly good, working, comfortable, actually, couches we had in here before.
I went back and forth on the couches. The thing about the couches is if you put residential couches in an RV, automatically that makes it feel more like a home. And when we did that in our last RV, as soon as we did it, I thought, why did I wait so long to do this? And honestly, we've sold our couches before we've been able to bring anything else in. So we've went like, 3 or 4 days now without any couches. So
actually, if I had to pick the one thing I'm the most stressed about, this couch, it's going to come in a box from Wayfair. It's in a box. Hopefully it's a small box, which means it's been in pieces and we can get it in and then assemble it in here. So I think that one's going to be okay. The one I'm worried about, you guys have seen it before. We had it in the open range. It's from Article. It's beautiful, but it just came in one massive box. There was nothing to assemble. I saw the box come in and I was like, oh my goodness. We got it into our open range.
It actually didn't even hit us until the people that were coming to buy this couch was like, well, how are you going to get your other couch in? And we're like, oh
no. So the open range, we had more of a straight shot from the front door into the opening. This is not a straight shot. And Marissa's like, Nathan, didn't you know when you bought the couch? I know the length and dimensions of the couch, but you just don't know. I don't know, like you're still angling it and it depends on the height of the ceiling. And I don't know what the plan is. We have to get it out of Marissa's sister's house, which is where it's currently stored. So if it doesn't fit in here, it's probably just gonna be sold. You may have already noticed in the background. So finding our some days here and then living small, dreaming big is here with us too. We'll show you guys more of Stuart and Lindsay as we go along. Like they're awesome people.
So this escalated fast. Nathan had told me if we were in the RV a year, then we can make some changes. We are almost coming up on a year. So it just started out by, hey, what if we just changed these slide toppers?
Slide toppers on the outside. Slide decor?
Slide.
Whatever these things are.
Slide trim?
Trim, there you go.
And so we thought, what if we just change that out? Because they had done that in their RV. They said, oh, it's super simple. And then it just started escalating after that. Oh, well, we could make changes here. And if we're changing out the lights, we might as well get rid of the couches. We might as well then start painting. And then it just turned into a huge project.
For the record, that's what I was told. Was like, hey, Nathan, is it cool if we swap these out with them? I'm like, cool, go for it. Go for it. And now it's turned into we're basically painting the whole rig. We're swapping the couches out. We're putting the lights in.
We're not doing the cabinets. I promise, Nathan.
No, I don't believe you, but yeah.
When we first walked into this RV, I was blown away how beautiful it was. And I looked at these big, beautiful white chairs. And I looked at these kids and knew these chairs would end up being destroyed. We tried to do seat covers for a while and they just didn't help. They wouldn't stay on. So we just let it go.
Wow. That's probably the cleanest one.
JJ, you want to show them your chair?
Show them JJ's chair.
This is how bad it got. I'm actually super embarrassed to show you how bad these chairs got. But we tried to keep them covered and we just finally was like, let's just replace them when it's time. And they've seen better days. JJ, is this your chair? Did you do this?
Let's do this. It's not Oscar. There's Oscar on the chair.
There is. I think this is what? Is that spaghetti or jelly? Where's the ketchup?
There's this.
Say bye-bye, mustard.
Say bye-bye, mustard chair.
Next time, we're getting wipeable chairs, right?
See that?
I see that. I think everyone sees that, JJ.
All right, couch number 1 is in. I am not worried about this couch. It's boxed up. We'll just assemble it inside. It's the other one I'm worried about.
I'm like nauseous. I'm thinking that's nerves. Ripping things down and changing things up. Like, I'm excited, but it makes me really sick at my stomach right now.
So step 1 of I don't know how many steps, because apparently the steps keep growing every time Marissa starts to
snowballing.
I feel like I'm being suckered. Like,
turned into this to turn into, let's just spray the whole RV and paint it now. So,
you can pry it off.
This makes me so nauseous.
do it. Yeah. Oh, I don't think it's supposed to do. Is it supposed to do that?
This is so hard. Oh, it happened. Oh, there's a lot of cracking.
There you go. There you go.
Demo day. Whoa. You know, Nathan and I had this conversation. This is our home and we want to make it feel like our space. And so it's important to us to give it those touches. But at the same time, I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So it's tough to make yourself take that leap. But we're all in now, so.
Look at this open space.
Nathan, don't get any ideas. Nathan would have an empty space if he could.
Oh man, I just want like a little mattress to sit on or something.
No, never gonna happen.
It's a traveling Pilates studio.
Yeah, but we don't do Pilates, so.
Yeah. we eat a lot.
That's a dad joke.
Don't get that off here.
Just making it as much like a home, and you don't see these in homes very often, so we're gonna get rid of the chunky wood pieces and just replace it with a simple light here, and then we're probably gonna do a matching one here is what we're debating. Yeah, you just have to start ripping things out before you can actually see.
Huh. Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, it's over.
Yeah, so I'm guessing the problem is we don't want the hole there. Right?
Yeah. Probably not. I'm not an expert.
Oh man.
Let's unbizify a space.
Wow.
That's actually great.
Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna be way better.
So just anytime we can remove some of that chunk, some of that ornateness, that just is going to make the space feel bigger and more of our style, more of a modern style. Look at that. It's just more streamlined. I never would have had the nerve to do that myself. But Stuart's very handy. He's a certified RV tech. He can build and do anything. And Lindsay, his wife, is just really good at design. So they have given me the like, oh, I've never wanted to, you know, start taking things off. That was a super quick and easy fix. These little things can make such a huge difference. So I can't believe so much has happened so fast in here.
This is like a whole different RV, man. This is crazy.
Like, y'all's fireplace is huge in that house.
No, I mean, it's nice. I like it.
I know. Maybe we should.
No, moving on.
So this was one of those things we were trying to figure out how to get the wire from over there to here. Luckily enough, just using, you know, electrical snake, I was able to push through the styrofoam to here and pull it back through, and then we'll patch these holes up, and we'll have our electrical where we need it.
We put this one in the open range for a little bit. This was my Mother's Day present from Nathan, but our biggest fear is, can we get it in the RV door? Is it gonna fit?
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I'm so bad.
40% chance it works.
You told me 50 last time.
Now that I'm looking at it, it's going.
I mean, I hope it fits so bad. If not, we gotta rework everything, sell the couch.
Yeah, this is the couch's last hurrah. We were not putting this back in storage. This Corey, we bring him in, we need the muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, what, the washer dryer?
What's up at the right
Hey,
time?
brother.
No, you tricked me.
I told him we had cookies.
He painted in the Airstream too.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, so we're getting
to get it to fit.
in order for this to fit, yeah, it won't even fit without taking the side tables out, so we're... Oh yeah, look at that gap now. What's that face? Alright, let's see how this goes.
Is it gonna fit?
We're gonna make it fit. I got enough saws and everything else. We're good.
We're not sawing ourselves.
Chainsaw in half, 100% chance it fits.
It needs to be standing straight up, and then we're gonna turn it sideways. And
I just
slide it in straight up.
That sounds good. Sounds good.
Where's your...
I'll let you, there you go, good job.
You.
I'm gonna turn it.
Yep, you guys are doing good, looking good.
Straight up, kind of.
Alright. No, that's not... And we're almost done. Yeah, we're done. That's it.
I wonder if going the other side and giving this so we can put the opening kind of more on the door frame side.
So back out.
Yeah.
How many attempts do you think it's
Kinda.
gonna take?
That was
You say it wasn't even close?
No, that wasn't even close.
Oh.
This is great on the back.
We can rotate a little bit or no?
I don't know.
We want to. We gotta turn it and gain 7 inches of it. And there's no chance at a sideway entry.
Probably less than that, actually.
It saws all that wall right there.
So they don't open?
I don't think it's gonna go through this hole.
Whose idea was this?
So we're going to IKEA?
Do you think if we pull these steps out, it will give us some? It's looking like it might. It'll be really close. It's gonna be cool. I think it's close enough.
Yeah.
We're talking. I just want to make sure I take apart every part of the camper today.
Excellent.
You were just supposed to replace our trim on our slides. Love you.
Love you too.
It's gonna be worth it.
This couch.
I know it's. This is our third child at this
Should we
point.
name it?
We should name.
What should we name it?
So go down real low. Is that the plan here?
Yeah.
Come on, couch. Ah. Get in.
Well, we're stuck on the
you
top
got
of the door
inches.
frame. We're hit everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Bye, couch.
Bye, couch.
Ah. I'm just so disappointed. The couch did not fit, so we're back to the drawing board. It just feels like everything is really crazy right now. I did not have a backup plan. This is one of those what have I done kind of moments. Ooh, ah. What have we done, Nathan?
That was like 3 hours.
All part of the journey.
If you guys have ever wondered what it's like if you're gonna spray an RV, or really anything, I guess. It's just like a haunted house in here. Check this thing out. Stuart has wrapped it up tight, man. So we're painting everything you see that's not covered, basically. Ceiling, walls. We've hand painted 2-3 different RVs. We've always hand painted. From what I understand, you've got, what, 3 to 4 times the amount of prep probably doing this stuff. I don't care how good of a hand painter you are, the end result is gonna be better if you can spray it. I'm curious how the time comes out overall. Like, let's say you would have had 20 hours into painting this by hand. Do you think after the taping off and everything, it's kind of like flush on those two things?
I wouldn't be surprised if we were about even, but the end product is way, way better. Hand painting an RV seems like it'd be a simple task compared to a house. Mm-hmm. It's all like the stupid, intricate cut-in work. There's so much more brush work in an RV versus a house that spraying is amazing.
This doesn't even look like our RV. I mean, this is just... like this. What do you think? Looks good, huh?
I'm so nervous. How many times do you think I've said, what have we done? This is just the primer, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't believe all this is white already. That thing is so fast.
This doesn't even feel like our RV right now. This is so weird. There is nothing more stressful than watching your house look like a crime scene. It's so scary, especially taking a new rig, you know, but.
Well, I think for me it's a lot because 2 days ago I didn't know we're doing any of this.
Yeah, I didn't either.
It's a lot for it to go from changing out a light fixture to all this. So, all right, we're done painting. We as in Stuart and Lindsay. Lindsay, that was made for you up there, by the way. You nailed it.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
It's like you're painting at the Sistine Chapel in here.
So one day, you what, primer and 2 coats?
Yes.
Living room, hallway, and above the bunk there. So pretty awesome, pretty fast once all this got taped off. Stuart is now gonna show us what it's like to rip this off the walls.
Partially dry, still a little wet. Reason for that is it comes off a little bit easier and you don't have to worry about the paint peeling.
Hey.
Too white.
Too white?
Yeah, this is missing too, so I think that's really gonna open up the whole place, taking that out. Look at that, buddy.
Whoa!
He doesn't even know what's going on.
What's going on to your house? No, it's looking good, looking fancy. Can you say, I'm so fancy?
I feel fancy.
done?
Done. Man, that thing's tiny.
It is a little bit smaller than I thought.
Yeah, in my head that picture. That's
It's
wow.
it's really little.
Here.
What is this?
A center for ants!
How can we be expected to teach children to learn how to read if they can't even fit inside the building?
Can they both fit on that? This is like a kid couch, right? This is like a kid couch. What do we pay for this? There we go.
This is not working out. What is this couch fiasco?
I think you need like a
This is not comfortable at all, man. This is like our main seat.
Okay, what are you gonna do? How do you guys lounge? There you go.
We went back and forth on what to do about the couch. Done everything we can think of to get this couch in. So the next plan is to just take a peek in this couch, see if there is a way behind this couch that we could maybe disassemble it to get it in.
That thing is really held together, my goodness.
Well, that's what you want to hear. Typically.
It's screwed together, stapled, and glued.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at all the ways it's cross-braced.
No, this thing is really well.
No, it is. It's,
I was really hoping to trash talk because it doesn't fit in the door.
I mean, there's like 6 angle braces on it.
Oh, man. Well,
So obviously the reno is not going to be finished this video. To be continued on
pretty much everything.
pretty much everything but the paint. This couch is probably gone. We're going to send it back. We have no table. We have no chairs. It's a mess. So we're going to figure this out. But if you want to see the end result of this stuff, we are going to go ahead and be filming real-time updates for our community at Team Journey. So if you want to check that out, teamjourney.com. But I'm going to link some other reno videos, some of the stuff in the Airstream, the motorhome, the open range. We've done lots of like facelift stuff before. And
To make it our own. It's going to be worth it. Hang in there. I know you guys right now are probably like, what have you guys done? This is a disaster.
that is our journey for today. Till next time, we'll catch you guys later.